get in the car just in case the lightning's striking awfully close, but it's Wednesday, June 6th, 2018, just west of Laramie, Wyoming, on Interstate 80, and this tornado's dropped. It's a pretty well-defined funnel initially, and then it dropped and has been on the ground now for about a minute or so. Parked at a truck stop here, or a truck pull-out area on the interstate, just about 5 miles west of Laramie. Nice to be able to sit here and watch the tornado without being in the path of a bad hailstorm, as it looks like it's headed to the northeast from here. Just hope we don't have homes in its path.